Alright, so this is going to be lesson 1 video 2 demonstration showing the changes that I'd made. So obviously there's a few changes here. I changed the text above each photo here, just kind of as like a label. I moved these buttons over and centered them into the middle of the screen here. They weren't originally after lesson 1. So then we open the drawer here, and we had the CS page working, so we added a working UCO page as well. So we tap here, get a nice little message that says UCO page, enjoy a swim in Lake Arcadia, free admission with your student ID, and then obviously an image there. And then when you tap on this little icon button right here, it'll give you an address, and it'll say 100 North University Drive for the address. Then you can tap back, it'll go back to the home page. Tap the drawer again, go to contact us. This is the contact page. Another image here with another icon button for phone number, and then you tap on that, it gives you the phone number dialog there. You can close that and go ahead and tap this, and it will go back to the home screen again. So those are the changes that have been implemented. Obviously you can tell that I added some of my own photos throughout the app there. So yep, that concludes the demo.